Check out this Aluma 8116TASR 16 feet aluminum ATV UTV utility trailer with side ramps. If you are looking for a quality trailer, consider this one. This unit is priced just right and comes equipped with many desirable features. For more details on this unit's features and options, follow the link in the description below.